Good evening, welcome back. Today we will start our new chapter. The name of our chapter is Biomechanics and Sports. So here the first one is biomechanics. What is biomechanics? So the study of mechanical law related to the movement of structure of living organism is known as biomechanics. Or we can say that the study of action of external and internal force on the living body, especially on the skeleton system, is known as biomechanics. Collins say biomechanics is the study of mechanics of the movement of living organism. These are the meaning and definition of the biomechanics. Now, Newton law of Newton's, the first law of inertia. According to Newton, a body is rest will remaining at the rest, and the body is motion will remaining in motion at the same speed in the same direction unless act on by an external force. This is the Newton first law. Newton second law of acceleration. This law states that the acceleration of an object is produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force in the same direction as the net force, and the inversely proportional to the mass of object. Newton third law. According to Newton third law, for every reaction there is always equal and opposite reaction. Now, type of the movements. There are the various type of movements in joint which may be divided into four main kinds, that is gliding, angular movement, circumambulation and the rotation. The first one is gliding. It is a simple kind of motion that can be take place in joints, one surface gliding or moving one another without any angular or rotational movement. Now, second one is angular movement. Angular movement occurs only but the long bones only. There are the various movements which are under angular movement. The first one is flexion, the second one is extension, third one is abduction, and fourth one is adduction. These are the angular movements. Now the third one is circumduction. It is the movement which take place between the head and hip joint. It's involve flexion, extension, adduction and abduction. The fourth one is rotation. Rotation is the force of movement in which a bones move around the central axis without undergoing any displacement from this axis.